And from the Nkosi family that gave you the great Wilson B. Nkosi, Dinjajozi, Sanbona Bawetu, I go by the name Kestizi. I just dropped my second body of work, title Sounds and Stuff EP. I guess you can tell already with inspiration Ubabu Wilson Pinkos. Especially for his show, his sounds and stuff like that. Basically, I figured why not take inspiration from closer to home. I'm not related to him directly, but I was inspired by how he has had staying power on radio for a very long time, and nami ngaba nje ne-motivation ukuthi ngenza umsebenzi engingathanda ukuthi nami ube ushisa ikhotha for isikhathi eside, so yeah, that's basically the inspiration behind that. Hey, ngiyabonga ukuthi nje finally lo msebenzi so uze wafika la usufike khona, because at some point it was just a concept, and was a concept for a long time. And ngafunda okukhulu from the first EP, so I'm glad this finally became a reality. And it wouldn't have been without the following people: the executive producer UTK, 10 Stacks, Budi. Ngiyabonga amagalela akho, big bro. Ngiyayibonga contribution obenayo ekuthenini ngidevelop as an artist, kanti futhi nale ndima osaloku uyidlala nje going onwards. I'd like to thank my long-time contributor Ilvi Uvumisa, for the 2 joints that he produced on the project. I'd like to thank my business partner, Abu August, for shooting the artwork and for shooting the other artworks for the other singles on the EP as well. Abuti, that's what's up. Says ezandleni zabantu manje le EP, and I really hope ukuthi abantu bazoba naso isikhathi just to banginikeza indlebe nje kancane bawuzwe lo msebenzi, and then babuye with their honest feedback. That's all I really look forward to, man. You don't have to take a boost and be like, yo, it's fire, and yeah, ungayifili. Anyways, ngiyabonga, sharp.